If p is a positive integer in the equation 12p equals q, then q must be a. 12 is even, and even times any integer equals even. Positive times positive equals positive even. Which of the following gives the sum of the polynomials a squared plus b squared plus ab, and 3a squared plus 4ab 2b squared? Combine like terms. A squared plus 3a squared equals 4a squared, ab plus 4ab equals 5ab, b squared minus 2b squared equals minus b squared. Write in simple form, 3ab squared. Simplify by 3ab squared equals 3 squared times a squared times b squared equals 9a squared b squared. The sum of a number and 12 is 37. What is the number? Let x be the number. X plus 12 equals 37. Right pointing arrow x equals 25. A number is doubled, and the result is decreased by 7 to get 15. What is the number? Let x be the number. 2x minus 7 equals 15. Right pointing arrow 2x equals 22. Right pointing arrow x equals 11. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 90. What is the middle number? Let x be the middle number. Right pointing arrow x minus 1 plus x plus 1 equals 3x equals 90. Right pointing arrow x equals 30. If 5x minus 2 equals 3x plus 10, what is the value of x? To find the value of x, move all terms containing x to one side and constants to the other. 5x minus 3x equals 10 plus 2. Then perform the operations. This simplifies to 2x equals 12. Finally, divide both sides by 2 to isolate x, giving x equals 6. Juan is 4 years older than twice his brother's age. If Juan is 22, how old is his brother? Let x be the brother's age. So we have the equation 2x plus 4 equals 22, then 2x equals 18, therefore x equals 9. The length of a rectangle is 3 meters more than its width. If its perimeter is 30 meters, what is its width? Let width equals x, then length equals x plus 3 and p equals 2, x plus 3 equals 30, so 2x plus 3 equals 30, therefore x equals 6. A father is 3 times as old as his son. In 5 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. What is the son's present age? Let son equals x and father equals 3x, then the equation would be 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 5. Therefore x equals 10.